Get ready? Start. Each state bar council has its own mandate to determine the costs and processes associated with the enrollment, such as verification fees, inspection guidelines, etc. Stop. An applicant, while undergoing the enrollment process, faces a lot of ambiguities regarding the costs applicable to them. Stop. These unclarities arise clearly as a result of poor planning on part of the state bar councils. Stop para. A law graduate has to incur an exorbitant expense to themselves enrolled. Stop. While states like Gujarat and Bihar charge around 25,000 for the enrollment process, in India on an average a law graduate might have to pay around 19,000 to get themselves enrolled with any state bar. Stop. Even in the same bar, the practice of inspection of documents for enrollment carried out by the office in charge differs due to the lack of uniform guidelines. Stop. To clarify confusions or to avail information about the payment process, one has to either call or physically visit the bar office. Stop. The latter is often required as the information available on most of the state bars websites is either not updated or is tabled in a complex manner. Stop para. The Bar Council of India had issued a notification in February 2021 disallowing candidates from using bare acts with short notes / comments during the arguments. Stop. While the notification was still effective and not withdrawn, many candidates tried to unsuccessfully contact the local bars to get clarity regarding the same. Stop. This is also one of the leading reasons behind confusions that led to the withholding of results. Stop. Results of May of the candidates we interacted with were withheld due to the fact that their documents were not submitted in the format that they were supposed to be submitted in. Stop para. In Kirti Kumari versus the Bar Council of India, the petitioner had approached the court after being disqualified from the AIBE due to a technical error in filling the set code, despite securing the marks needed to qualify for the exam. Stop. The court had decided that the default was also committed of AIBE, who is responsible to check whether the set code has been mentioned by the candidate or not before signing the answer sheet. Stop. Holding that the petitioner is not to be solely blamed for the lapses, the petitioner was asked to approach the chairperson of the Bar Council and the latter was instructed to consider the application sympathetically. Stop. While this precedent can help other candidates also obtain same decisions. Stop. Over.